Hey everyone, this is Brandt, and I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to change color using LSP Actions. You can go to lsp-actions.com. Click on the LSP Color Palette Collection if you've purchased it, and let's say I want to change this to Minty Fresh. I'm going to hit play. Now, what I love about LSP is everything is layered. Now, you can set your opacity of your brush, you can set the hardness or the diameter of your brush, and then you literally just brush on. Because it's layered, you don't have to worry too much about coloring in the lines because we can always go ahead and correct our errors in a second. So you're just going to brush it on, and then like I said, I'm just going to change the diameter of my brush, and then I could come in here and adjust her little headband as well. And see how I'm not really coloring in the lines? So if we go over here to layers, you can see that this is a layer. So I can turn it on and I can turn it off. Then I can come over here to the eraser tool, and I'm simply going to clean up my mess. And I'm just going to erase anything that I didn't want. We don't want green hair. Again, even with erasing, you can change your opacity and you can change the size of your brush. And you can just zoom in a little bit so you can see. Now, if you missed something, you can go back and realize, oh, I missed that. Let me paint that in a little bit. Let me paint in right there. And I missed that. And then go back to the eraser. Clean up wherever you need to clean up. Get it out of the skin. We don't want to color her face or her hair. And if you change your mind, you can turn it off and it's back. If you like it, then you can just flatten the image. And there you go. Pretty simple, right? Check out lspactions.com.